Coding circuits is fun when you use the BrainPad Kit and a BrainPad Pulse. Let's make an LED roulette game 2 players can play. Let's start. Measure the components. Select an enclosure. Lay out the holes. Drill it. Grab some metal standoffs. Attach them to the pulse. Put the pulse in the holes. Attach standoffs to the LED ring and both buttons too. Attach additional standoffs underneath. Close the box. Make the code. The complete code is available on the BrainPad website. Ready, set, go. BrainPad. Play, code, excel.